Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to run Facebook ads in the UK. To start, open the browser and search for the Ads Facebook Manager website. Then, visit the website and log in or sign up for your account. Here, you can set up to run ads by confirming a few details in the account overview. Under the Campaigns option, click on Create. Choose the buying type and campaign objective. In the campaign objective, you'll find various options. Now, click on Continue and enter your campaign name. In Campaign Details, you'll find the buying type and campaign objectives again. Create a catalog and drive more sales with Advantage Plus catalog ads. In Budget, you can select Campaign Budget or Ad Set Budget. If you select Campaign Budget, choose Daily Budget along with the prices. Next, disable the A/B test and move forwards to Special Ad categories. Declare if your ads are related to financial products and services, employment, housing, social issues, elections, or politics to help prevent ad rejections. After that, choose the category and the requirements differ by country. Hit the next button and enter the ad set name. Following that, choose where you want to drive sales. Then, choose the performance goals and the cost per result goal. Your campaign budget automatically distributes your daily budget across ad sets to get the best performance. You can set spending limits for each ad set. Here, choose a start and end date in the provided area. In the audience area, define who you want to see your ads. By selecting Create New Audience, select your location. The location selection must include all areas within a 15 miles radius of any selected town, city, address, or drop pin. Now, choose the age, gender, and you can specify languages. Click on Next and it'll take you to the new page. By enabling the partnership ad, run ads with creators, brands, and other businesses. Next, choose your identity or you can link your Instagram account. Under Ad Setup, choose how you'd like to provide the media for your ad and how you'd like to structure your ad. In the destination area, enter the website URL, display link, and browser add-ons. In Ad Creative, select and optimize your ad text, media, and enhancements. After that, click on Publish and you can edit business location and currency and business and tax info. Lastly, add the payment method and enter the card name, card number, monthly, and year along with the CVV. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.